Why does a restaurant with top-tier chefs and a prime location collapse in just a few months? Most people blame the food or the price. But successful owners in Chinatown know a secret they'll never tell you. There's a silent killer hidden in the floor plan, one that can drain your business dry before you even realize it's failing. Today, we're exposing the 3 fatal Feng Shui mistakes that are costing restaurants up to 40% of their revenue. If you want to know why your business isn't growing, you need to see this. Let's start in the heart of San Francisco's Chinatown, specifically the iconic Grant Avenue. Many restaurant owners dream of a storefront facing a T-junction, thinking the straight-line visibility is a goldmine for foot traffic. Data tells a different story. Analysis of commercial real estate turnover in this district between 2022 and 2025 reveals that properties positioned directly at these T-junctions experience a staggering 250% higher churn rate than businesses tucked just a few doors down. In Feng Shui, this is Sha Qi, or killing energy. Because traffic flows directly toward the facade, the energy doesn't accumulate. It hits the door with aggressive force, causing constant management friction, high employee turnover, and a restless environment that drives away diners before they even order. It's not just a view, it's a constant, invisible collision. Moving to New York City's bustling Mott Street, we uncover the Wealth Corner catastrophe. In early 2023, a long-standing legacy restaurant decided to modernize their layout, moving their restrooms from the rear to the central front area to improve flow. They didn't realize they had placed the waste disposal in their primary wealth corner, the auspicious sector governing prosperity. Within just one fiscal quarter, the restaurant's revenue nosedived by 40%. The issue is elemental. The toilet represents water that flows out, effectively draining the business's financial stability. By placing this drain in the sector meant to capture wealth, they essentially invited their profits to leave the building as fast as they came in. It's a classic case of bad design leading to a perfect financial storm. Finally, let's talk about the tunnel effect found in many NYC basement-level eateries. Often, owners are drawn to these spots for lower rent, but the architectural reality is brutal. Located deep beneath heavy building structures, large staircases, or metal escalators, these restaurants suffer from what we call press Qi. Research on customer behavior in these specific underground units indicates that they face a 35% reduction in repeat patronage compared to street-level counterparts. Psychologically, being under a heavy structure creates a feeling of confinement, a subconscious weight that customers feel but cannot name. When you feel compressed, you naturally want to leave. For a restaurant, this means you can get them in once with a great deal, but you will never gain the loyalty needed to sustain a long-term business.